May peace, blessings and mercies of Almighty be upon all of you. I am Professor Khalid Hakim. Today in this video, we will learn how to make our CV or curriculum vitae eye-catching and attractive. Curriculum vitae, CV, means course of life in Latin. A CV is a written description of your work experience, educational background and skills. A CV is typically a living document that will reflect the developments in a professional's career. It is just a marketing tool for your achievements, which will provide a detailed snapshot of your professional and academic life. Here are 10 important things you should include in your academic CV. 1. Contact information. Include your full name, address, phone number and email address. 2. Academic history. List all schooling from high school through postdoctoral, if applicable. Include the title of the degree you earned, the year you graduated and the name of the school. 3. Professional experience. Include the organization where you worked, the job title, the dates you were employed and a summary of your experience and achievements. 4. Qualifications and skills. List a combination of hard and soft skills you have developed throughout your career. 5. Awards and honors. For each award, add the name, year received, the organization that gave you the award and any pertinent details, such as how often it is presented. 6. Publications and presentations. For publications, provide a full citation including your co-authors, date, summary, volume, page, DOI number. For presentations, provide the title, date and venue where you presented. 7. Professional associations. List the organization's name, location or chapter and the dates of active membership. 8. Grants and scholarships. Provide the name of the grant or scholarship, the date awarded and the institution that provided the award. 9. Licenses and certifications. Include the name of the license or certificate, the date you earned it and the institution that awarded it. 10. Use easy-to-read language. Get grammar and punctuation correct, proofread, spell check also, update your CV regularly. Here are some tips you should avoid while making your CV. Don't use all capital letters. Don't make it harder to read. Don't use several fonts to catch their attention, creates a ransom effect. Use Times New Roman or Arial. Include a picture of yourself, if applicable, however, it is not the cover of a fashion magazine. Use an extremely professional image when asked by the employer. Focus on you and your needs. Employers are not interested in who you are but what you can do. For more educational videos, subscribe to my channel. Stay blessed.